If you don't give up your evil ways, I'll be here to stop you.
What's up, everyone? This is SE Wingless, and today we have another animation video for you guys. Today I decided to make an animation video about Goku. You know, everybody knows Goku from Dragon Ball, so I decided to to do a little project. Now within this animation, I did up to 4 to 5 scenes. Now, the program that I'm using is Photoshop and Animate Studios 9. Now, this what I'm doing right here can be done in any animation program, but this is what I prefer. So don't think that this video is just limited to those 2 programs that I'm using right now. First scene I did up to Goku talking, which that took about 5 drawings to put together, as you can see right here. Second one would consist of the aura effect. You know, the scene where he would charge up in order to fly. Sometimes he don't need it to fly, but every now and then, you'll see Goku do this. While in the scene though, when he's charging up, I made it so that his hair moves along with the aura going around him, and that his clothes move, only because it wouldn't make sense for his hair to be moving in the wind if everything else didn't move at it as well. And while he's flying, I have it so that it's 3 to 4 frames or drawings that I use to help show that. So for the animation here, what I use, basically, pencil, paper, and Photoshop to change the coloring of it and to save it as a PNG, and Animate Studios just to mess around with the images. All I do is Animate Studios is that I would the image that I want animated, I would use that image and swap it out with a similar animation just to emulate him either talking or flying or any sort of movement, because that's all you do in animation. Well, that's all I do when it comes to that. It's basically swapping out an image and then putting another image within the second or third frame of the animation. And for every scene, it's a different pose. But what I did with it, I messed around with the camera and I gave it some sound just to set the mood and put it all together. Now, this particular animation, I have to admit, it took about a week to do, only because of the drawing, drawing out the character and making sure that everything within the drawing goes together well within the animation, and putting together this video takes a long time. So this goes to say, when you see these animators putting out videos every week and you're thinking, damn, it takes a week to make this animation. No, it doesn't. It takes a long time to put it together. A long time to put together a 1-minute animation. There's a lot that goes in. Even though in this video, I'm showing you a method that I'm using in order to animate, I'm also learning. Yeah, there's a lot that goes in making any animation. And my hat goes off to, like, the animators that's able to put out animations week in and week out. Oh yeah, and I'm also putting together a couple of original animations to put on my channel. So if you like what you're seeing, you want to see more, you know what to do. Everyone take care, and please stay safe.
If you don't give up your evil ways, I'll be here to stop you.